Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced automotive diagnostic tools on the market, the Autel Maxicom MK808. If you're serious about keeping your vehicle in top shape, this is the scanner you need. Let's explore why it's considered the best in its class. The Autel Maxicom MK808 is more than just a scanner. It's a comprehensive diagnostic tool designed to meet the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Its compact design houses a powerhouse of features that make vehicle diagnostics and maintenance a breeze. Let's talk features. With its fast quad-core processor and intuitive 7-inch LCD touchscreen, navigating through diagnostic procedures is effortless. Whether you're checking engine codes, performing active tests, or resetting service functions, the MK808 handles it all with precision. The user interface is designed for simplicity without sacrificing functionality. Even if you're new to diagnostic tools, you'll find the MK808 easy to use. Its clear menus and responsive touchscreen ensure you spend less time figuring out the tool and more time diagnosing and fixing issues. Stay connected with wireless updates and online capabilities. The MK808 keeps up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic software, ensuring compatibility and accuracy. Plus, its built-in Wi-Fi allows you to access additional resources and technical support directly from Autel. From domestic to foreign vehicles, the MK808 supports a wide range of makes and models, making it a versatile tool for any garage or workshop. Whether you're working on a sedan, SUV, or even light trucks, rest assured the MK808 has you covered. Advanced functions like bi-directional control allow you to actuate components, perform adaptations, and more, right from the palm of your hand. This level of control and detail is what sets the MK808 apart from basic OBD scanners. We put the MK808 to the test in real-world diagnostic scenarios, and it delivered every time. Its accuracy and speed in identifying issues give you the confidence to tackle any automotive problem efficiently. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. While the MK808 excels in performance and functionality, some users may find its advanced features overwhelming if they're only looking for basic diagnostics. However, for those who demand more from their diagnostic tool, the MK808 is unmatched. In conclusion, the Autel Maxicom MK808 is not just a tool, it's an investment in your vehicle's health. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, its reliability, ease of use, and extensive feature set make it the best Autel scanner available today. Ready to take your diagnostic capabilities to the next level? Click the link below to learn more and get your own Autel Maxicom MK808 today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and product insights on Product Critique. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a comment below with your thoughts on the Autel Maxicom MK808. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and comparisons coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and happy diagnosing.